नमस्कार, मैं हूँ हिताशा और आज हम मौजूद हैं 12th ग्लोबल स्पाइस समिट में, जो कि हो रहा है शेरेटन ग्रैंड पैलेस इंदौर में। इस समिट को ऑर्गेनाइज किया है एनएनएस मीडिया ग्रुप ने।
12वें ग्लोबल स्पाइस समिट के मुख्य प्रायोजक एमडीएच ग्रुप रहे। समिट में सीपी मसाले के डायरेक्टर मधुप माधव, पीसी कन्नन एंड कंपनी के मैनेजिंग पार्टनर पीसी के महेश्वरन, एनसीडीएक्स के सीनियर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट अरुण यादव, सेसोटेक इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर मकरन मांडके, हमदर्द फूड्स इंडिया के एजीएम मार्केटिंग अमित भटनागर, काशी इम्पेक्स के डायरेक्टर ऋषभ जैन, श्याम धानी इंडस्ट्रीज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के जोनल बिजनेस मैनेजर प्रदीप पारेख, मयंक इंडस्ट्रीज के मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर मयंक अग्रवाल एवं डीवी एंटरप्राइजेस के मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर गौरव अग्रवाल की गरिमामयी उपस्थिति रही।
Sir, welcome to 12th Global Spice Summit. Tell me something about your product range.
So we are into processing and export of seed spices, especially coriander, cumin, fennel, fenugreek, and along with that we do turmeric, cardamom as well. Yeah, so our company is doing this spice business since 1969, and we are the largest exporter of coriander in the country during the last 25 years. Except 2 years in between, otherwise more than 22 years we are the largest exporters.
And sir, what are you expecting from 12th Global Spice Summit this time?
This is what is the purpose of conducting these spice summits are all to understand what are the updates in the spice industry, so that through different experts we can understand what are the changes happening in the FSSAI Act, what are the changes happening in the global market. So what the industry requires. So we have to be prepared to satisfy their requirement.
And sir, what are your future plans for expansion?
So our idea is to go for value addition, further value addition and branding. So right now we have been supplying mostly as a commodity to the processors in overseas countries as well as in India. So our idea is to do value addition plus white labeling for the reputed brands in domestic as well as export markets.
So nowadays we are seeing that lot of spice adulteration. So what you have to say about it?
Definitely, as spices, one big concern is adulteration in the industry. It's happening. So I think it's a responsibility of the industry as well as the government to take care of, because ultimately adulterated goods will affect the health of the people. Yeah. So industry has to be responsible. Government has to be proactive in checking the adulteration.
Thank you so much, sir.